Guys, pag-usapan natin yung crime of arson. Dito sa Pilipinas, may dalawa pong classification of arson. Una, destructive arson, under po sa Article 320 of Revised Penal Code as amended po ng Republic Act 7659. At mayroon pong simple arson na under po sa PD 1613. But whatever it is, ano ba talaga yung ibig sabihin ng arson? It refers to any person with maliciously or with intent set fire or burn another property or even his property which expose danger to the life or property of another, then we can say na mayroon pong arson. Ano bang ibig sabihin nito? Ang lahat po ng sunog dito sa Pilipinas are presumed to be accidental, and it is the responsibility po ng ating gobyerno, most particularly ng Bureau of Fire and Protection, ng fire investigator, to establish the cause and origin of fire. If mayroon pong signs or evidences na nagsasabi o nagtuturo na ang isang tao ay mayroong intent or maliciously burn another property, then masasabi po natin na mayroon pong krimen na arson.